G'day guys, and today I'm going to do another lot of A+ practice questions. We're going into network fundamentals today, and subscribe away guys, and I'll keep these questions coming along. And we'll start with the first one today. Blank is immune to electromagnetic or radio frequency interference. We've got twisted pair cabling, CSMA CD, and then we've got broadband coaxial cabling, fibre optic cabling. And if we have a look through these, most of these are copper, and there's one that's not, and that is D. Fibre optic cabling reduces cross talk, less noise. It goes to fibre optic with the way it's sort of manufactured and the way it works. So that's the answer. 1 and 12, we've got which IEEE 802 standard defines the bus topology using coaxial baseband cable and is able to transmit at 10 megabits per second. We're going really fast here, guys. We've got 802, 1, 2, 3, and 5. The answer is C, 802.3. So 113, which OSI layer signals all clear by making sure the data segments are error-free. Got application layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer. TCP/IP, pretty common nowadays, and that's sort of the TCP side of things. The transmission control protocol is, I suppose, the type or the way in which data is sort of sent to and from a network between hosts. So that obviously allows for error-free, and transport layer is behind all of that. So that's the answer there. 114, blank is a type of media access method used by NICs that listen to or sense the cable to check for traffic and send only when they hear that no one else is transmitting. So we've got token passing, CSMA CD, and then CSMA CA, and we've got demand priority. I'll just give you guys the answer to this one and explain it. So the answer here is B. CSMA CD, or carrier sense multiple access with collision domain. Obviously with this kind of method it will pretty much do what it says right there. 115, what model is used to provide a common way to describe network protocols? We've got OSI, ISO, IEEE, CSMA CD. It's not going to be the last one. ISO developed it. IEEE is not the network protocol description. It is OSI, which is the model there. 116, a physical start topology consists of several workstations that branch off a central device called A. We've got NIC, bridge, router, and hub. So it's not a NIC. It could be a bridge. It consists of several branch off a central device. Router's a possibility as well, but the answer is hub. It should be switch, but it's another story for another day. 117, of all network cabling options, blank offers the longest possible segment length. We've got unshielded twisted pair, or UTP, coaxial, fibre optic, and shielded twisted pair. Again, we've got some copper listed here. Fibre optic wins again, guys, and that is the answer. Able to travel multiple kilometers, whereas the other cable types there can go generally a couple hundred meters before interference gets involved. 118, what devices transfer packets across multiple networks and use tables to store network addresses to determine the best destination? We got routers, bridges, hubs, switches. We got switches, which sort of, I guess they have similar traffic, the same traffic going to and from. Hubs sort of, I guess they're a bit like port repeaters. They're just whatever happens to one happens to all. So it's not quite that. Bridges is a possibility, but a router routes traffic, and the description up there pretty much explains the job of a router. 119, in which network design do users access resources from other workstations rather than from a central location? So client server, star, ring, and peer-to-peer. So a lot of these, I guess, topologies, and so therefore the answer is D, peer-to-peer. Client server is obviously a centralized sort of setup. We've got server, client connecting to server, but peer-to-peer is really two computers connecting to each other in order to access resources from each other. No centralized service there at all. Final one of the day. Which of the following wireless communication standards is often described in terms of wireless personal area networks? So we've got Bluetooth, infrared, cellular, Ethernet. Ethernet's not wireless, cellular potentially wireless, but it's not really personal area. Infrared's more, I guess, NFC type of connection. That leaves us with Bluetooth. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you really enjoyed the content. Subscribe, smash the subscribe button if you enjoyed it and liked the video as well. It'd be amazing. Thanks heaps for sticking around once again, guys. I'll see you all next time.